Steganography is a process to hide marks that are difficult for a third party to identify within data, so that the existence and contents of the information are transmitted only to the recipient. There are two ways to keep information secret: information encryption technology and information hiding technology. The information encryption technology transforms the contents of communication so that it cannot be decrypted. On the other hand, the information hiding technology also hides the existence of information itself, and steganography is a kind of information hiding technology. When sensitive data is handled, its contents are encrypted, so that no one can read it. For example, when an email is sent, the body is sent after being encrypted, so that only the sender and recipient can decrypt it. Because a third party can know that encrypted information is being exchanged, the party can assume that the communication contains confidential information. Steganography, on the other hand, is one of the information hiding technologies that embed and hide it in information, which prevents anyone from recognizing that confidential information is contained in the communications. In other words, it is a technology that prevents third parties from realizing that it contains important information. Simple types of steganography include vertical reading, where hidden messages become recognizable by reading horizontal text vertically, and invisible messages, which can be made visible by chemicals. Mathematical approaches have been proposed, such as adding information to character fonts and embedding messages that differ from the text. Steganography, an information hiding technology, has been often used in espionage activities, but the technology has been applied to electronic creations, such as watermarking, which is used to determine the authenticity of data, based on the embedded content information. Digital watermarking is used for creations such as text, images, audio, video, and programs by embedding information related to the rights of creations. For videos, it is used to manage copyright by embedding information, such as whether they are charged or not, and the number of times they can be recorded, which make it possible to determine the authenticity of the product. Digital watermarking technology is also used for AI and machine learning technologies to protect the privacy of data use. To distinguish between authorized and unauthorized use of data, used to train a model where the model itself, embedded information is hidden in the data and the model, that only the creator can recover. It is a technology that has the mathematical ingenuity of including watermark and dummy data, without changing the size and statistical features of the data. On the other hand, it can be exploited as malware that looks like a normal application, which spreads viruses when executed. It can also be used as steganography to sneak malicious commands into parts of a script, to avoid surveillance by security software. Therefore, steganalysis, a technology that reveals information embedded in contents that are communicated on the internet, is also being considered for the prevention of crime and terrorism. Generative AI has been spreading rapidly in recent years, which has made it possible to create a large amount of text and images by AI. Therefore, in addition to protecting the rights of creations, it is also important to prevent AI from creating malicious images. By embedding watermarks in images and videos on the internet, it is possible to determine whether they are products of generative AI, leading to the prevention of malicious use, such as deepfakes. Steganography is also used to protect the copyright of AI models itself. In order to see if an AI model was created in violation of other AI models, a watermark is embedded in the model itself by setting it so that it behaves in the same way in response to a particular prompt, which protects its right. Steganography is gaining attention due to the rapid expansion of generative AI.